guys, today we're going to talk to you about our floor lock brakes that we use here at FlexQube. Many of these floor lock brakes are actually installed on a lot of our carts around the world. So you can see here that there's actually two levers on the cart at the moment, and this floor lock brake is actually in the secure position. If you hit this top floor lock brake here, click it down with your foot, it unlocks the brake, and then you're free to move the cart around as you please. Now, if you actually want to secure the cart again, you hit the larger of the levers here, push down with your foot like so, and it actually locks the cart into position. I'll do that one more time. So there's the two levers here, this top one here, click it down with your foot, unlocks the cart so you can push it. This larger one here, that's closer to my feet on the outside, you push down here, locks the cart into position. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and if you want to learn more, just visit our website at www.flexcube.com.